What is going on, everyone? I hope you all are having a great day. Today I wanted to create this video to share with you value add biotech stocks that I personally think can add so much value to your investing strategy. First off, I'll share with you these companies and why the share price is positioned to grow in the near and long term. First company I wanted to share with you is Sorrento Therapeutics, ticker SRNE. What's so unique about this company? Well, this is an innovative state-of-the-art technology company that's based out in San Diego, where they're working on a wide number of not only COVID-19 related antiviral treatments, diagnostics, but they are also working on a number of different cancerous-based therapies. In fact, today the company had just announced news where it will be shipping its COVID sticks product to Mexico now that it's been granted regulatory green light to get into Mexico based off of emergency use authorization status, EUA. This is huge news because as to today, the share price had gone up by about 10%, and this ticker share price was previously hovering at the low $6-7. However, now it's up in the double-digit share price range. We know about a year ago, the company's share price ranged all the way up to like $25. However, what goes down will start catapulting up, and we're beginning to see that with Sorrento Therapeutics led by CEO Henry G. So hold on tight, because we're only going to start seeing the stairways climb up with the current share price. And not only is COVID sticks likely going to get EUA status, but it's also going to have COVID Shield along with other COVID-19 related products announced with EUA status, and potentially in the long run through clinical trials approval for safety and efficacy. So long term wise, this company's share price is going to start ramping up in the long term, possibly getting up to like $30 if you hold this up through 2022. Now, next ticker I wanted to share with you is a San Francisco based company that is working on a COVID-19 vaccine as well, and that is Vaxart. VXRT actually has a different mode of delivery where they are monopolizing the market, because now that we have different EUA products, specifically Pfizer, Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, right? These are all bolus deliveries into the arm, and I don't know about you all, but I personally got the vaccine as well, and it hurt. I mean, even lifting your arm the next day, where you do get minimal pain at the area where you got the injection. People are now trying to strive for conveniency, where you can just pop an oral pill and then be vaccinated for like 6 months to 12 months. And the fact that we're hearing about potential boosters coming out, once we see wintertime come, we'll start seeing whether there's an increase in infection rates. And if that were to show with mutated strains infecting people, then there will be an increased demand for just having that convenient taking an oral pill. And ultimately, when you look at just government spending, you have healthcare professionals like nurses having to administer vaccines, and this will really reduce the expenses that healthcare professionals have to be administering the vaccine for you, when you can easily get, an oral pill distributed to you without healthcare professional administering it, as well as having different freight related controls, such as keeping the temperature cold. When it's an oral pill form, you don't need all of the worries for that. So that's why Vaxart is looking like it's going to grow, and today it's gone up in the green zone, and I'm forecasting that not only will it catapult beyond the double-digit share price range very soon, but also leading up through 2022, I'm forecasting that Q1 2022, the share price will be beyond $20-30 from my perspective. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a biotechnology company that's unrelated to the whole COVID-19 pandemic, where this company is focused on bioengineering a prodrug using natural medicines, in fact, using the molecule THC and bioengineering that, having amino acids added so that it can help be used on patients dealing with glaucoma, irreversible leading cause for blindness due to increased hypertension in the eye. Now, this company is called Skye Bioscience, ticker SKYE, where They're based out in San Diego, working on, in fact, 2 potential drugs right now, THC VHS and CBD VHS. Where CBD VHS, there's going to be multiple indications for use that will be announced towards the end of the year. However, with the THC VHS, this is specific for glaucoma patients. And where we see the current share price today as of where we've seen it at the beginning of the year, we've seen such great growth. I mean, back in December 2020, when I was producing content on this company, it was hovering at the 4 cents. And just recently in the month of June, week 1, it catapulted all the way up to 25 cents. However, it's on a decline at around 16 cents, establishing ground at the support level of 16, 17 cents. I'm forecasting that once the company announces human clinical trials for its THC VHS program to test on 64 patients in Australia, I have high belief that it's going to be catapulting to $1. At least by the end of the year, we'll see it reach the whole dollar share price range. And the fact that its preclinical trials has demonstrated superior reduction in intraocular pressure using combination with Ropressa, and also as a single agent study against latanoprost, that just shows that this drug product is likely going to be adding value from a safety and efficacy standpoint. And the fact that the company will be announcing data on its neuroprotective effects, where using cannabinoids can provide neuroprotection, that's going to be a game changer, because there's no legacy product right now to date for glaucoma patients that have a highlighted claim of neuroprotection. So I'm forecasting, if held long term up through 2022, this is going to be going beyond the $3 share price range and all the way up to double-digit share price range if you hold this long term. Now, last ticker I wanted to share with you is iBio, a company based out in Texas, where they're working with Texas A&M and also now branching out into the San Diego area. We know San Diego is a central hub for innovation for biotechnology. What I like so much about this company is that it's leveraging plant-based technology, known with its patented technology, Fast Farm, through intellectual property. And this company not only is working on like a COVID-19 related treatment with iBio 201, 202 program, but also coming out with different vaccine therapies specific to swine flu and fibrosis. Is that's really going to add value in animals and humans. And we know that Tom Isaac's going to be announcing news on its product portfolio. And just with the prior months and weeks, we've been hearing how Tom Isaac has been assembling a solid team to build on a robust clinical and finance program. And I have no reason to believe that this company isn't going to grow, because these are some highly skilled, experienced team members on the team that will drive this company to success. So from a share price standpoint, where it previously hovered back in 2020 around the Q2, Q3 range of like $7, that's going to be coming very soon. And if held long term, I'm forecasting at around the $20 to $30 share price range, at least for iBio. So overall, I hope that this video gave you insights on why I think these 4 biotech stocks are positioned for long-term success. And thank you so much for watching another episode here at alliseeisW. Please also take a link down below for one of my friends, Puneet Dillon, on his book that was just released, Catapult. It would be great if you take a look at that link and provide support with purchasing that book to learn on how you can develop to become a corporate leader. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day, all. Goodbye.